What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to work on a seat refurbish for my car. I have a 2001 BMW 325, so the seat that came with the car wasn't in a good condition. I found a fairly new seat for my car, so I swapped them and I took the old seats out. In this video, I'm just kind of exploring how can I refurbish this seat so that I can resell them in the future. So I hope you enjoy the video. To start off, I'm wiping the seats with alcohol and a rag. This ensures that all the stains and oil were removed in the process. I then use a 800 grit sandpaper and lightly sand off the cracked surface to make sure the surface is level. Next, I'm applying a synthetic leather repair cream. This cream sets after a day and they are very flexible. They don't crack easily and you'll need a few layers of this to ensure they are strong. You will need to sand the surface on each layer using the same grit of sandpaper. Now, to prep the surface for paint, I mask off any areas that I don't want to paint and start painting. I managed to find this leather paint from an online platform and this was my first time using it. I was amazed at how fast they dry and I highly recommend them for any leather repair works. I'll leave a link in the description below. And here's the comparison of before and after. I really learned a lot in this restoring process and I hope you enjoyed it. If you like what I post, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and I'll see you in the next one.